Empire. Here today is a video showing you the upgrade of a fluorescent bulb overhead light. There's two T8s in there, traditional fluorescent style. I'm going to be switching out to the Philips LEDs, warm white. This is the standard cool white. This is just a comparison just between the two. Alright, there's the new lights installed. I don't know if you can tell. If there's much of a difference or not, but here's what we installed from Home Depot. The Philips direct fit. So you leave the ballast in there. You don't modify your housing at all. And this just tells you on the box what you're looking at. These are the daylight ones as opposed to the cool white. So a little bit more of a warmer color. And this is just the 1-inch T8 base 32 watt replacement. It's actually 17 watts. It's a 48-inch bulb, 2100 lumens, 5000 K, color temperature non-dimmable. Obviously you can read, and this just tells you how to do the instructions on how to install. It's pretty simple. You just replace the bulb. You turn the power off, replace it, and turn it back on. So these were about $6.50 each at Home Depot. If you buy a 10-pack, it's like $50, and so you can save a little bit of money. But zoom up there. I don't know if this camera can show you the difference, but it's definitely brighter than before, in my opinion, and it is a better color too. I like the color a little bit better. So nice little upgrade. I bought these because my kitchen ballast had died and I thought it was the bulbs, but it's not. So I just use these bulbs in the garage and laundry room while I get the ballast repaired. I'm going to use the old fluorescent bulbs in the kitchen for now until they die. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment below if you have any other experiences or questions regarding this. Thanks for watching. One Empire signing off.